This video explains what to do on a service call for a crawl space with an ATMOX controller and related products. First, you should evaluate things that have nothing to do with the ATMOX system and should be checked regardless. First, walk the perimeter of the house. Look for issues with drainage, downspouts, or gutters. When going into the crawl space, search for obvious visual issues, such as water leaks, plumbing issues, signs of water intrusion, loose insulation, or loose or leaking HVAC ducts. Then, you need to check the drainage of any condensate lines. Focus on your specialty. This could be pest control or mold remediation. Focus on what you're good at. If you have a handheld wood moisture meter, take readings in several different locations throughout the crawl space. You may want to write them down or take photos. If there is a dehumidifier installed, you should exchange or clean the filter depending on the model type. Now it's time to check the ATMOX system. If you go to the display, you'll need to figure out what type of crawl space controller the house has. There is one video that covers the ACE controllers and another video that covers the older models such as the Max, Flex, Easy, and Smart controllers. Please watch the appropriate video to learn how to test components.